Hello, students, and welcome to the first week in June classes. We are going to be finishing up the water cycle this week, and you'll notice that there is a one lesson on water and gravity, water cycle and gravity. And there's a short video which is really interesting, or at least I thought it was really interesting, about some new technology that a man down in Peru figured out, which is helping a lot of people. It's pretty cool. It's called Fog Catchers. And then the last thing you're going to see on there is a quiz. Now, you'll notice if you go to Skyward and look at your grade book, there's nothing recorded. That was really strange. There's nothing being recorded as an assessment. This goes in under formative, just like the rest of your assignments. We just want to see me and Mr. Rarick and Miss Smith want to see if you guys are actually taking in and learning this information. It looks like you are. Most of you are getting even the first time around I'm seeing the assignments, you're getting between 80s and 100s on most things. Some people are scoring a little lower, but I am seeing people go back and redo them. So bravo. And also welcome. There's been a couple students this week that I don't think have participated so far with online classes. So welcome. I'm really happy to see you. And I hope you guys are all continuing to do well. I miss you all and hope you're enjoying the great weather we're having. If you have questions, please be sure to email me. And I'm also going to forward the Skyward email that I sent out through your Gmail accounts. I hope to virtually see you all again soon, I guess. All right. Enjoy the weekend. Bye bye.